Hey guys, today we're going to learn what is poke in Facebook. And poke is a feature that allows you to interact with others. And when you have poked someone, they will be given a notification that you have poked them. So poke in Facebook can vary on how we are actually using it. Since poke is a way getting someone's presence or acknowledging them, and poking in Facebook can mean that you want to say hello or you're just playing with someone in a friendly manner. And it can also be used as an inside joke or a way to break the ice between someone who they haven't communicated to in a long time. And when you have poked someone, they will receive a notification informing them that you have poked them. And they can either use this feature, which is poke, after you have poked them, either to ignore your poke, message you, or poke you back. So poke doesn't have any other further explanation rather than just poking someone and waiting for their response, since it's more of a social gesture rather than a functional feature. Overall, poke is a playful way of getting someone's attention, but we must make sure that we use it thoughtfully and consider the context of relationship between you and the guy that you are poking with. Hope you did understand what poke means, what poke Facebook means. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.